Now I'm up 100. You're a lucky motherfucker. What do you want? What do you want?
Somebody yelling. Who's yelling?
He hit 540.
Got him. Who did?
530, 540.
On what?
On green. 540 on green.
Good
$20
job,
baby.
Let's see, baby.
Let's go. Let's go.
Show the camera.
Show the camera. Show the camera. 540. 540. $20 bet. Double green, baby. Let's go.
Running out. Please place your bets.
Thanks, Wes.
So the
Wes
story
gave me
behind
the
this
incentive
is
to
Wes
play.
just gave him $100 and said, "Go have fun."
Give me the incentive to play.
You gotta show me.
I owe you 20, huh? Hey.
No, you owe
20 bucks.
interest.
Let's go!
Sick. It's called interest.
Hold on.
Don't do it to him.
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 No way.
Hey, yo, shit your pants. Yeah, we thought it was over.
This is the third time I put the rest of my money on 25, 30 bucks on the fucking green. I'm 3 for 3. Okay, we're going out. Come tell me. You got your stub?
I'll get my stub, baby.
This is ridiculous. If you're watching this video, this has been all tonight.
So, max 35 bet on double green.
This has been
Now you're
all
fucking
tonight.
back
We're
up.
here
Yeah,
for
now
a
I'm
bachelor
back up.
party. This is ridiculous. What is this? Plus, what, 3,500 already?
Yeah.
Wes put 100 in.
I just saw it.
Wes was on his last 25.
I'm sitting here FaceTiming the hot wife, and all I hear is like yelling, and I said, I bet that's one of them. And all I saw is them fucking slapping hands and all
Well, I
that
told
stuff.
Wes, I was like, dude, I've sat here, and there's been like 30 in a row and has not hit
That's
anything.
what he said. He said he put 25. He just ran to the cashier. Video game roulette's the truth, bro. Hey.
Dude, he just won.
I saw he just won again. He come over here, he's like, hey, this is more important than your Facebook time with your hot wife. And said, what are you, nuts? What are you trying to tell me? What are you, nuts? These guys.
Dude, I can't believe it.
So no, literally, here. How much in the past hour and a half?
So I won $1,000
Yeah.
since I put my $700 thing in.
Yeah.
Actually, I put the $700 in, but I only bet $100, and I won $1,000 off of that.
Okay. So then you take your other 600 out.
So I'm still at $1,000.
And then all that. And then
Feds, bro.
Hold on.
we go to the strip club. Chase! Where are we at? We're at the Talking Stick Resort and Casino in Scottsdale, Arizona. So there you have it, folks. If you guys want a hot ride at the casino, come check it out. There's some big winnings here. Quick winnings. Fast returns.